All right. Now, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the best marketing strategy for lawn care and landscaping companies. This strategy requires less money than traditional methods while also being way more effective. And I can guarantee you it will explode the results your lawn care landscaping business is doing, meaning it will bring you way more revenue. It'll be much more profitable because of the low cost and efficiency of this strategy. And if done right, I can guarantee any lawn care landscaping company will scale to their goals using this. So this whole strategy focuses on leveraging your existing client base and lead base to grow your lawn care or landscaping business. The real issue is that most lawn care companies overlook their greatest asset, which is their existing customers, missing out on a steady stream of new business opportunities. That's right. Most people don't understand the thousands, if not millions of dollars sitting in the people you already know. Now, as we go down farther, you'll start to understand and be like, oh my God, this is the sauce. Like, this is how I'm going to get to the next level in my business. So you might be asking yourself, why listen to me? Well, I work exclusively with lawn care and landscaping companies. No one else. I work with green industry businesses, lawn care and landscaping businesses. And I build automation and marketing systems like the one I'm about to cover in this video. One example of why we do what we do is me and my partner helped scale a lawn care business by 28K in just 8 weeks. And now the owner is no longer works in the business, but he just manages it. So he was able to get his company to doing 28K in just 8 weeks of working with us. And after that, we helped him systemize so that he became a true business owner where he just oversees the company and owns it as an asset. You know, growing a business is in the end growing an asset. You want to eventually be working not in the business, but on the business. And sometimes even not on the business, you can get to the point where you're not even working on it at all. And that's what we help our clients do. And that's what we did for him. So if you would like a copy of this entire document for absolutely free, plus weekly trainings just like this one, free one-on-one sessions, and a network of successful lawn care landscaping business owners, just join our group, Lawn Legacy. It'll be linked in this document that I'll give you for free if you join. And obviously it's linked in the description below. It's completely free. Just come join, see our daily posts, our trainings. You can do a one-on-one. We'll do a sales process build out with you. All of it absolutely free. We just want to be the best free value space in the green industry and also provide the best services and products to the green industry to grow those companies. So let's get into the old ineffective way of doing things. Outdated. They're expensive. There's no point of doing them anymore. Let's get into those. So number one is relying heavily on paid ads. You're sinking a significant portion of your budget into advertising, such as Google ads, Facebook ads, maybe even flyers or mailers, because that's still paid ads. That may or may not yield results. Yeah, they're unpredictable. You know, one ad set and targeting could work in one city, and then that person go and does it into a different city, and it can completely flatline and you lose a bunch of money on advertising. So ads are unpredictable. And as soon as you stop spending, the leads start to dry up. So you need to spend money to get those leads. And when they're obviously that's usually the case, but what if there was a way that you could have an even more effective marketing strategy without spending nearly as much as you would on paid advertising? So then we have the good old wishful thinking, the hoping of word of mouth. So all the time in these Facebook groups, I'm like, people are like, what's the best marketing? And you just hear all the people in the comments like, word of mouth, word of mouth, word of mouth. Like, okay, I get that to an extent. If you have any type of half decent company, you should be getting word of mouth. If you're not getting word of mouth customers, you're doing something completely wrong and you probably shouldn't be in business. So yes, word of mouth is a given, but you're certainly not going to build a large systemized company off the back of just wishful word of mouth. Leaving this up to chance is neither reliable nor scalable whatsoever. Waiting for clients to mention you to their neighbors can take forever and may not even happen. There's no strategic thinking in that. And it's definitely not going to pan out right for you if you're trying to get to a certain level in this industry. So then we have manual outreach with no follow-ups. So we have a lot of people that do cold calling, or they'll cold call companies to do commercial work, or they'll do door knocking, things like that. So many businesses rely on one-time cold calls, emails, or door knocking. This scattered approach makes it difficult to build momentum. And without consistent follow-up, most leads fall through the cracks. The problem with these tactics is that they're unpredictable and costly, leaving you working harder for diminishing returns. It's not sustainable, and it certainly is not efficient. Now, let's get into the better way, our approach. The key to sustainable growth lies in a proactive approach that leverages the existing relationships you've already built. So all the people who love word of mouth, this might ring a bell. Word of mouth is the best. You're going to get your best customers through referrals. You're going to get a lot of customers through referrals. But just doing it, hopefully, like meaning just assuming that you're going to get word of mouth is wishful thinking at its best. And it's not sustainable. There's no numbers you can put to that marketing strategy. So here's our proven step-by-step strategy that focuses on automating and scaling customer-driven growth. Meaning this is all about leveraging your existing client base, your existing leads, and the existing area in which your clients lie to grow your company for much, much cheaper and also being way more effective. So step one, you set up an automated referral campaign. Set up an automated referral campaign using text messages and sometimes email. After each completed job, an automated message is sent to your clients, thanking them for their business and offering an incentive, such as a discount or a free service upgrade for referring a friend. These referral requests are timed and personalized, making it easy for your clients to share your service with their network. So you can either do this with us, or there's plenty of software, and maybe even your CRM could provide it. It's a must that you have to have systems that are leveraging your existing customers. And you'll see this more and more as we go down this. So here's an example of a flow chart that breaks down relatively what our custom solutions do for lawn care landscaping companies. So as you can see right here, you have your lead sources. They're all coming to request a quote. And then you have leads that are closing with you. So then the follow-up sequence, try to get them back. You have systems that are upselling people, sending reviews, adding them to referral campaigns, automatically putting them into your project management CRM. You need to have a system that's at the least doing referral campaigns, but you want more depth to it, as you'll see going down this. So on top of your automated system, you want to have strategic door knocking going on. So I know before you say you just slandered door knocking. Yeah, I'm not talking about regular door knocking. This is strategic door knocking. Let me break it down. So after completing a job, immediately door knock on neighboring homes. Offer potential clients a written quote for lawn care services or landscaping services right then and there. The best part, you're already in the area, making it convenient and cost effective for them. The familiarity of seeing your work on your neighbor's lawn builds trust and increasing the likelihood of converting them into customers. So this is just normal door knocking. So on top of your automated system, referring and upselling, collecting reviews, following up with leads, you're going to double down on leveraging relationships by having door knockers that are going to hit the doors near your neighbors. So you can see how all these different strategies are going to start stacking on top of each other to where it's just like, you're going to have just endless work after running this consistently. So like the 10 houses around your client, you go and door knock them, get them a written quote, make some kind of pitch. If you work with us, not only will we set up the system, but we'll also write out all your sales scripts for door to door and people on the phone answering leads. So then you have densely placed yard signs. So here's the problem is your existing clients' yards are your best billboard, but few businesses capitalize on this free marketing. So what you need to do is not only just place yard signs at random, you need to densely place them in the neighborhoods you're trying to go after in your existing customers. So you can get that route density and you can go after those high-end neighborhoods that you finally got a chance to tap into. So encourage clients to place yard signs after a job completed, especially if it's in high traffic area. Offer them a small incentive like a discount on their next service for displaying the yard sign. The more signs you have in the area, the more local visibility your business will have, creating a lasting impression in the neighborhood. A few tips I can give you for yard signs is that you want to make sure that you're not putting too much noise on it. A lot of people overcomplicate their yard signs. You want to have a few words and your logo on it, and you want to have very poppy colors so that it really stands out from the crowd. So you don't want to add too much noise because you want the lettering to be big and colorful so that people can notice it and read it clearly from a vehicle if they're passing by in a vehicle. So the best thing I could recommend is have your business name, maybe a small logo, have a phone number and a QR code, and leave it at that. Logo, phone number, QR code that goes to a landing page, a funnel, a website. And another thing is that if you work with us on top of your system and the scripts you're going to be getting, we're going to send you over graphics that you can write the written quotes on to give when you do the strategic door knocking. And we're also going to give you designs for your own yard signs that are proven to convert way higher and have some more marketing thought put into them. So then we have setting up a automated review request system. So let's go back down the stack. We have your system that's referring and upselling. And then we have door knocking. So you're making sure those neighbors aren't left empty handed. And then we're having densely placed yard signs to double down on that. And then we're having the system also collect reviews. So not only is all this going on, but at the same time, you're growing your Google presence. So not enough clients leave reviews on Google, limiting your online presence and making it harder for potential customers to find you. You want to have an automated system that is relentless at doubling down on getting you reviews. Use an automated review request system that prompts clients to leave a review right after their service is completed. The system sends a polite, personalized message asking for feedback and providing a direct link to your Google business profile. The easier you make it for clients to leave reviews, the more likely they are to actually follow through and leave you a 5-star review. And another tip with reviews, try to encourage them to get pictures on top of their reviews. The Google algorithm loves that. And also you got to respond to every review you're getting in a very quick manner. When you get a review, you need to do it in the next day or two. Make sure you're responding to all those and encouraging people to leave pictures on those reviews. So notice in this picture that not only the ads, but the highest organic ranking listing has a lot of reviews. See, these Sunrise Irrigation, and I guess they're both Sunrise. I don't really know what's going on there. But see, they have 2K reviews, 765 reviews, and the organic one has 117 reviews. That's a lot of reviews. And look it's basically a 5-star. They probably have like one negative review. So let's go farther down the stack. Now you have your system upselling. You have your system doing referrals. You have your system following up with leads to convert more leads coming in. And then you have door knocking going on. So you're leveraging your customers, neighbors. You have strategic yard signs that are placed densely and in clients' yards to prompt that route density and get that neighborhood wanting your services. And then you have reviews coming in that are increasing your Google ranking. So now we have social media incentives. Social media is a powerful tool, but most lawn care businesses don't know how to harness it effectively. So I always ask people, why spend money on ads that might not even work when I can basically turn my clients into ads? So we tried it out and it worked very well. Instead of you running ads, why don't you just get your existing customers, you give them an incentive for them to post about your business on a Facebook group, on their story, on Facebook or Instagram. And that's an ad right there for much cheaper. So encourage your clients to post about your service in local Facebook groups by offering an incentive. A discount on their next service or an entry into a giveaway can be enough motivation for them to spread the word about your business. This grassroots marketing method helps you reach new audience without spending on ads, leveraging the trust and credibility of your existing customers. We have a visual overlay showing how your customers are compounding each other, especially on social media. Here's a full summary of this marketing strategy that is cheaper, way more effective than traditional methods, and I guarantee you will make your business a lot of money. This marketing system is all about using your current clients to grow your lawn care or landscaping business by turning happy customers into promoters who bring new clients for you. Here's how. First, you set up an automated texting system to ask your existing clients to refer friends and family, upsell existing clients, collect Google reviews, and follow up with leads all on autopilot. So you're targeting the neighbors directly. Next, you place yard signs for visibility, making sure people in the area know about your services. You also send out automated review requests to build your Google reviews and boost your ranking. Lastly, you offer small incentives to further double down on this system to get your clients to post about your business on local Facebook groups, their story, or on their feed. To put this into action, just start by setting up the referral campaigns. After finishing a job, visit the surrounding homes with quotes in hand. Get yard signs up where people can see them, and make sure you're constantly requesting reviews. Offering a small discount or giveaway for social media posts is an easy way to get people talking about your business. When done together, these steps will help you steadily grow your business and keep new leads coming in. Are you ready to transform your lawn care business and take it to the next level? All you got to do to get started is just join our free lawn care and landscaping business group, where we have trainings coming out weekly. A group of motivated lawn care and landscaping business owners talking every day. Plus, if you DM me after joining the group the word pipeline, I will do a 100% free one-on-one sales process build-out meeting. The group is Lawn Legacy. I'll have it in the description below. And we can even do a free one-on-one 30-minute to an hour call building out your sales process. If you work with Fresco Systems, you can get this whole automated system. You will get the graphics for your written quotes for your signs. You'll get all the scripts for following up with leads on the phone. You'll get the cold knocking scripts. You'll get it all. You'll get this whole system built out for your company. Or you could simply just take this information, do as you wish with it, and go out and try to replicate this whole process to its best on your own. Join the group. It's free. Why wouldn't you? And I hope this helped out a lot.